Hi there, it's the return of the Bureau. Listen to the forecast you must for May the 4th. A strong force is pushing a cold front through the northeast, so we'll see storms trooping into northern New South Wales and Queensland. Be careful, as they can be very hit or miss. A low and trough will move over Tasmania, but it may not bring the rain you're looking for. Showers are likely to be on the light side. So low pressure to the southeast could bring a layer of cloud overnight through Victoria. A bit of a star destroyer for those awakening early to see the meteor shower. But don't lose hope, as it will clear up in central areas on Sunday. Far, far away in Western Australia, a cold front will move through, but the force isn't strong with this one. It'll drop the temperature slightly and bring light showers. The fronts will strike back on Monday as a stronger system pushes through, which may be our only hope for rainfall through the southwest this week. The front will continue its march into South Australia later on. If you're looking for the monsoon over northern Australia, you're looking in all the wrong places. Last week's showers played a bit of a mind trick on us, but they'll be Chewbacca to normal conditions for the coming week. Always in motion is the future, so keep up to date with the latest weather spoilers on our website and app.